My name is Larry, and I have an LVAD. I think all of this started back in about 1991 with a heart attack, a major heart attack. And I've been living with congestive heart failure for about 25 years. Things started kind of going downhill again. I made an appointment with my cardiologist, and he said that we've gone as far as we can with medication. And I thought I was doomed at that point, because I really honestly felt like I would not live to see my next birthday.
He was really unable to do things he wanted to do. He couldn't get out of the house, he couldn't do shopping that he needed to do, he couldn't bowl, for instance, that he really enjoyed. And eventually, his quality of life eroded so much that he was seeking a higher intensity of care. And that comes under the heading of mechanical circulatory support.
Out of the blue, after all this, he said, well, how would you like to feel like you're 30 years old again? And I said, what are you talking about? And that's when he introduced me to the VAD.
He was a perfect fit for a left ventricular assist device, and so this was the strategy that really fit him and his lifestyle the best.
LVAD stands for Left Ventricular Assist Devices, and that is really the technology that has taken off the most.
Which I never heard of before. No one I know has ever heard of that before. And you also have to meet certain criteria in order to be accepted. So I did meet the criteria, and we got underway with this.
The left ventricular assist devices are small pumps that are now actually put directly into the heart, and they're powered by 2 batteries that are outside of the body that patients usually carry with them, and then they have the small controller with the alarms, and that has some information that patients can look at regarding the parameters of their heart pump. The left ventricular assist devices are put in, and essentially they're there forever. And patients go home, and they go back to their lives.
That machine allows him to do all the things that he wants to do and hasn't been able to do for years, and has really served him well. He sailed through the surgery, really, and as soon as he had more blood flow, his energy level picked up, he got pep on the step, his appetite improved, he put on weight, and most importantly, he can get back to doing, really, he loves bowling. He's in 2 bowling leagues, right? And so that's thrilling for us. And we couldn't be more pleased with that outcome.
So I guess the rest is history, and I've done extremely well after this procedure. I would say it's a huge difference, almost night and day. California Pacific Medical Center specializes in this type of procedure, and also heart transplants. The team was great, excellent, so I couldn't ask for a better team. I feel great. It's been a huge improvement. I would recommend anybody who was in my position, this is the way to go.